Hi everyone, my name is Rashmi and I'm happily announcing my Australian full driving license, and all the credit goes to Mr. Roshan Gupta. If it wasn't for him and his driving school, I don't think I would have in any way been able to achieve what I wanted. I got my full license in my second attempt. I've been learning with him. I've been driving with him since last year. I took about 5 classes with him, and after that I started driving on my own, and about last month I gave my first driving test, but because of few silly mistakes I couldn't clear my test. After that, Mr. Roshan, he was very helpful to me. When I approached him after, he taught me everything where I was making mistakes. It was like I was again starting from scratch. So he taught me everything, and then I got it what I finally wanted. Talking about First Right Driving School, it's the best driving school you'll ever get anywhere, because for you to learn or learn how to drive, your instructor matters most. And Mr. Roshan Gupta is the best instructor you can get. He's very patient. He's very clear with instructions. He will tell you even the slightest possible rule, if there is anywhere in the world, he'll bring it for you and he'll give it to you. It's not only he tries to learn even himself from others, and he comes and brings you new ideas, new tips and tricks, and everything that can be very helpful for you in future. He gives his 100%, and if you're really looking for looking forward to get an Australian driving license, if you're looking for an instructor, you're looking for a driving school, First Right is the only choice. Thank you.
All right, thanks Rashmi, and congrats once again.
Thank you.